Centre announces a mega relief package of 1,70,000 crore rupees for rural and urban poor in the wake of COVID-19. Defence Minister Rajnath Singh reviews action plan to tackle COVID-19 situation. Union Home Ministry issues fresh guidelines on exemptions. Assam Chief Minister Sarbananda Sonowal visits Tezpur Medical College, reviews corona fighting arrangements with district officials. Meghalaya Cabinet discusses delivery mechanism of essentials. It directs Deputy Commissioners to chalk out action plan for proper distribution. And Meiteis in Manipur celebrate Seroba festival amid corona-induced lockdown in state. Good evening, viewers. Welcome to the Northeast News Bulletin. This is Hansraj, and now the details. In national news first, the Union government today announced a mega relief package of 1,70,000 crore rupees for the poor like migrant workers and urban and rural poor who need immediate help in the wake of COVID-19. Briefing the media in New Delhi this afternoon, Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman said they have come up with the Prime Minister Garib Kalyan scheme to help migrant workers and poor people. Sitharaman also announced insurance cover of 50 lakh rupees per person for 3 months for COVID-19 warriors who are exposing themselves to the virus. They include doctors, paramedics, healthcare workers, sanitation workers, ASHA workers dealing with the coronavirus outbreak. The minister elaborated that 5 kilo rice or wheat will be given for the next 3 months for free in addition to the 5 kilos already being given to 80 crore people. 1 kilo of preferred pulses will also be given per family for free.
Suffering workers and those who need immediate help. So the package that we come up with will benefit those migrant workers, those poor, those urban and rural poor, and the women. And this Prime Minister Garib Kalyan scheme that we want to come out with is expected to meet a total of 1,70,000 crores. 5 crore families.
In more national news, Defence Minister Rajnath Singh today chaired a review meeting on his ministry's preparedness for tackling the COVID-19 menace. The meeting, which took place in New Delhi, was attended by Chief of Defence Staff General Bipin Rawat, Defence Secretary Ajay Kumar, Army Chief M.M. Naravani, Navy Chief Admiral Karambir Singh, Chief of Air Staff R.K.S. Bhadauria, and senior Defence Ministry officials. Department staff for operations of homes for children, disabled senior citizens, destitute women, widows and pension service are also exempted. Meanwhile, the number of coronavirus cases soared to 649 with 13 deaths so far, the Union Ministry of Health announced today. Among them, 47 are foreign nationals and the rest are Indians. It has also been confirmed by the ministry that 43 patients have been cured and discharged across the country. State-wise, Maharashtra has the highest number of 121 cases, followed by Kerala with 110. The number of COVID-19 cases surged to over 4,71,000 worldwide, with Spain reporting the second highest death toll after Italy and surpassing China, where the infection originated. Italy has witnessed the maximum fatalities that any other country, with the latest figures showing that 7,503 people have died from the infection in barely a month. The overall global death toll has crossed 21,000. Wuhan, meanwhile, is prepared to emerge from the months-long lockdown after the province, which was initially the epicenter of the outbreak, recorded no fresh case. Moving on to the northeast now, in Assam, Chief Minister Sarbananda Sonowal, while on a visit to Tezpur today, visited the isolation ward of Tezpur Medical College and Hospital and took stock of the measures against the coronavirus outbreak. The Chief Minister reviewed the latest scenario at a meeting with the Sonitpur district administration officials in the hospital premises. He said there are already 4 test facilities in the state for COVID-19. No more is needed right now. Also, he appealed to hawkers to regularly distribute newspapers.
Aji Rugar pra Poritan War Khetrat Jikini Podokep Grohon Kora Hoise এই পদক্ষেপৰ অংশ হিচাপে যেহেতুকে 21 দিন লকডাউন কাৰ্যসূচী সমগ্ৰ ভাৰতবৰ্ষতে ঘোষণা কৰিছে।
Meanwhile, Assam government is setting up the state's first quarantine site at Khorhozai Stadium in Guwahati. Equipped with around 700 beds, the mega camp will be ready within 5 to 6 days. This was announced by State Health and Family Welfare Minister Dr. Himanta Biswa Sharma after inspecting the progress at Khorhozai Stadium. Once the site is operational, whenever a COVID-19 case is confirmed positive, other members of the family will be quarantined here and will be provided with food and other facilities by the government. This is to provide them immediate medical assistance as soon as it is required. State government is considering to set up other such sites if required, said Dr. Sharma. So far, no corona case has been confirmed positive in Assam.
The special bus di holeo belek koto sakhawa nonoma ban jikono subidha thaki directly ami yalike.
In news from Meghalaya, the state cabinet, which met at the residence of Chief Minister Conrad Sangma on Wednesday, discussed the delivery mechanism of all essential commodities and also decided to open grocery shops for a short period. The cabinet has worked out measures to provide delivery of essential commodities in rural as well as urban areas, while the deputy commissioners have been asked to chalk out action plans. Speaking to the media after the cabinet meeting, Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong informed that there is no shortage of rice and distribution to retailers has already taken place in the entire state. In Tripura, Chief Minister Biplab Kumar Deb on Wednesday flagged off 50 emergency life support ambulances in Agartala. These ambulances will be functional for 24 hours across the state. A call to 102 will bring the emergency life support ambulance for immediate assistance. A total of 50 crore rupees has been sent for the project. This is the first time in Tripura that such an initiative has been taken by the state government, said the Chief Minister. Tripura is the second state in Northeast with such well-equipped facilities. In Manipur, amid the COVID-19 outbreak and the subsequent imposition of lockdown and curfew by the government, the Meitei community on Wednesday celebrated the Sajibu Nongma Panda Seroba festival. This Seroba is a festival celebrated by the Meiteis on the first month Sajibu of Manipur lunar calendar to mark the beginning of a new year. However, in the prevailing COVID-19 scenario, the festival was celebrated in a low-key manner. Climbing of hills after lunch is a major part of the festival, but the people refrained from doing this as the government has imposed restrictions on their movement. People in Arunachal Pradesh remained indoors as streets were deserted and business establishments shut down the first day of the nationwide lockdown announced by the centre to combat the COVID-19. Public and private vehicles were off the roads in the state capital, barring those carrying people who had ventured out to fetch essential commodities like food and medicine. Police personnel were deployed in strategic locations in Itanagar to restrict movement of people.
अभी आदमी आ नहीं पा रहा है, रास्ता का बैरिकेड जगह-जगह बैरिकेड लगा कर रखा है। अगर सरकार
In Assam, in view of the emerging situation arising due to the corona pandemic, Romen Datta, President, and Devojit Khoikia, Secretary, Assam Cricket Association ACA, on behalf of the state cricket body, have decided to offer the ACA Stadium, Borkhapara, Guwahati, and its premises to the government of Assam for establishing a temporary hospital and quarantine center. They further assured that the ACA will provide every possible support to the government to fight the novel coronavirus outbreak during this critical juncture.
প্ৰতি লক্ষ্য ৰাখি চিকিৎসা সংক্ৰান্তত ব্যৱস্থা গ্ৰহণ কৰিছে। এই ব্যৱস্থাৰ প্ৰতি আমাৰ সহমৰ্মিতা প্ৰকাশ কৰি আমি বৰ্তমান বৰ্ষাপাত থকা
In Manipur, at a time when the deadly coronavirus COVID-19 has claimed the lives of over 21,000 people worldwide, workers from Myanmar were found working at Kwathu Khunau and Molphai village located between border pillars 81 and 82. The workers from the neighboring country, which has reported some COVID-19 cases, were driven away by the villagers by a joint team of Tengnopal Police and Assam Rifles. The villagers were advised to not allow entry of foreign nationals. Well, coming over to the headlines once again, and before we wind up, a recap of the headlines. Centre announces a mega relief package of 1,70,000 crore rupees for rural and urban poor in the wake of COVID-19. Defence Minister Rajnath Singh reviews action plan to tackle COVID-19 situation. Union Home Ministry issues fresh guidelines on exemptions. Assam Chief Minister Sarbananda Sonowal visits Tezpur Medical College, reviews corona fighting arrangements with district officials. Meghalaya Cabinet discusses delivery mechanisms of essentials, directs Deputy Commissioners to chalk out action plan for proper distribution. And Métis in Manipur celebrate a Saroba festival amid corona-induced lockdown in the state. And that brings us to the end of this evening's bulletin. Thank you for tuning in. Namaskar.